Hey guys, it's Panda. Welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have Disney Doorables, but it's the advent calendar. And yes, I know it's not December, but I'm still gonna open it because I got it for my birthday. Okay, so I haven't seen this movie, but I think her name is Maylin. Maybe? I don't know. Don't come at me if I'm doing it wrong. Okay, now let's do door number 2. Wedged in there. I don't know if these numbers mean anything, but I'm not gonna look at them. So, I mean, I'll try not to look at them. We got Sully. Here we got Sully, which doesn't really have many purple dots really, but there's Sully. Door number 3. This side. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's pink this time. Oh, because it's a sticker, probably. Sticker. So here we got Penelope from Wreck-It Ralph with a little snowman. Door number 4. It's Hero from Big Hero 6. Yes. He's so cute. Look, he's purple. Okay, number 5. Pink again. Let's see. Oh, this one's not a sticker though. This one feels. It's Winnie the Pooh. It's Winnie the Pooh. Look at him. He got a little flight hat on, I think. Door number 6 now. I believe it's this one, but there's one leaking into this one. Another sticker that's all bent. It's a Stitchy Boy. It's Stitchy Boy with candy canes. Door number 7. Let's get into it. Probably this one leaking over. It's a big one. Let's see. It's Miguel from Coco. I like that movie. Okay, number 8. Another sticker that's bent as well. It's a Mike Wazowski. Okay, door number 9 now. There we go. But he's see-through. He's supposed to be white. Oh well, he's still cute. He's still a little cutie. You know, I didn't see the front of him, but when he fell out in the back of him, he almost looked like Casper because he's see-through. But I still love Baymax. Next door, number 10. Yes. It's the Stitchy Boy. It's the glittery Stitchy Boy with a snowball. It's the Stitchy Boy. We got the glittery Stitchy. Yes. Door number 11. Let's open. It was kind of cool because it's like. Let's open this door. Her head is flat. But it's Alice from Alice in the Wonderland. Her head's supposed to be flat because she's supposed to stand up like that. I didn't know. Door number 12 now. Okay, so I haven't seen this movie either, but apparently it is 22. Okay, door number 13. We got Flick from Bug's Life. Sorry. We got Flick from Bug's Life. The annoying little smart creature. Okay, door number 14. We got Aurora. Oh my my goodness, and she has a glittery dress. Oh, that's so cute. Now door number 15. We got, I believe his name is Luca? No, that's the other one's name. Alberto. His name is Alberto. From Lucas, but I have not, Luca. But I have not seen the movie. So we got Alberto. Okay, door number 16. This is Milo from that one movie, but I forgot what the name was. Okay, door number 17. Let's go. This is Cusco from Emperor's Groove. Door number 18 now. We got Judy Hopps from Zootopia. She's a smart little bunny. Door number 19. We got Mr. Mittens. I don't know what he's from, but Mr. Mittens. Door number 20 now. Look who we got. We got Tomato from Cars. Door number 21 now. Another sticker. We got Jack Skellington as a snowman. 22, sorry. We got Princess Elsa. Oops. We got Princess Elsa. No, we did not. Because she has wings. We got the blue fairy. Sorry, it kind of looked like Elsa, but we got the blue fairy, which has wings. Okay, we got 2 doors left. We got 23 and 24. Let's open 23. And we got Princess Tia, I think, from Princess and the Frog. Okay, last but not least, door number 24. Ta-da-da. We got that special Jack Skellington. So we got this one and the special Stitchy Boy, which are both on the front of the box. That is so freaking cute. Wait, that one goes there. And that one goes there. There we go. There we have it. And there we have it. All of the ones we got, plus the stickers in the background. That's it for today. I'll see you on the next unboxing. See you guys later.